Ever wondered what's happening beneath that rib cage of yours? Well, if the words fatty liver have popped up in a convo or you've stumbled upon it online, then you're about to embark on a wild, enlightening journey with me. Today, we'll unravel the mystery, bust some myths, and set you on a path to rejuvenate that liver of yours. Buckle up, because here we go. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! What's a fatty liver anyway? Alright, so imagine your liver is like a sponge. A healthy sponge is flexible and bounces back when you press it. A fatty liver? It's like that sponge soaked in oil. Not so springy anymore, huh? A fatty liver is basically when more than 5% of your liver is made up of fat. No bueno, my friends. Why should you care? A fatty liver is like that uninvited party guest who never leaves. Stick around too long, and things start to break. This can lead to scar tissue, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. It's more than just a fat problem. The big how to get rid of fatty liver game plan. Diet is king. Switch to a Mediterranean diet. Loads of studies have found its wonders for liver health. One of the biggest studies on this was back in 2016, where they found this diet to work wonders. It's filled with olive oil, nuts, fresh fruits, veggies, and lean meats. So, swap that hamburger for some grilled fish and veggies. And remember, your liver doesn't have teeth. What's that mean? Limit sugary foods and drinks. It's like offering your liver a candy bar, and trust me, it's not a fan. Exercise is queen. I know, you've heard this before. But really, moving your body is magical. Even just 30 minutes a day can make your liver happy. Walk, jog, dance, or do the Macarena. Whatever floats your boat. Watch your alcohol intake. I'm not saying ditch the weekend wines, but maybe, sip a bit slower. Less is more when it comes to alcohol. In fact, a research done in 2018 found that even moderate drinking can make fatty liver worse. Supplement smartly. Omega-3 fatty acids have been praised for heart health, right? Well, guess what? They're also fantastic for your liver. A study done in 2015 discovered that fish oil supplements can help reduce liver fat. Just check with your doc before you start popping any pills. Final thoughts. Look, I get it. Changing habits is tough. But think of what you're doing for your health by making the change. If you found this video helpful, or you've got questions, or maybe you've got a killer Mediterranean recipe to share, don't be shy. Subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let's keep this conversation going.